blinds my window, and the shadows start to fade. Every breath becomes a prayer now. Every heartbeat speaks your name. I love